Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel right here and then press the bell notification, like the video as well and share the video with your trading friends. So subscribe, like and share and press the bell notification. Now whether you are new or old, if you're watching my videos, then below the videos you will also find these links which I want to talk about once and for all. Now, first link says join free Telegram channel. So if you want some free signals every now and then go and join Telegram, okay? Second link says check out best prop firm and Forex brokers. So you can join these brokers and start your trading journey, especially if you want to trade with my signals, then make sure you have a separate account with these brokers, separate accounts so that we can get the accurate data that how many trades did you win or lose using my signals in that separate account. So go and join the brokers using my link also to support this channel, okay? Because I am doing everything for free. When you go and watch my videos, I give you entry signals at which candle to enter and when to exit, okay? So if you are making money with my videos, I'm not charging you any single thing, and you need to show that why should I carry on doing that, okay? I don't need your money, but you need to show me that why should I carry on doing this for free. I'm not getting anything from you, okay? So go and join brokers using my link. And then there is one more link which I have introduced. Just below that, it says pay fees from analysis, okay? So normally on the internet, people will do these analysis either, in just 2 minutes. They will say, okay, the trend is up, look for longs after pullback, or trend is down, look for shorts after each pullback, okay? I am not doing that because if I do that, that's like, you're stupid, okay? This is something everybody knows. Everybody knows, okay, trend is up, so we need to look for longs. Trend is down, we need to look for. Everybody knows that who's into trading, okay? So I have to, why will you watch my videos? Because I'm not just the some random or the other guy on YouTube, okay? I'm not some other guy on YouTube. I'm something which nobody else is, okay? So whatever I'm giving to you for free is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. You will get to know about this after watching the video till the end, my analysis, okay? And you can watch my previous videos too. So if you think my analysis is worth something or you have made money using my videos, you can go to this link which says pay fees for my analysis and pay whatever you feel like. Okay, I'm not asking you to buy my $1,000 course or $2,000 course. That's what normally people get you into, okay? So there is a condition with every trader who's making YouTube videos that join my this program, join my that program, and they're not wrong. They're not wrong. They're doing the right thing, charging you thousands of dollars. Only I'm an idiot here for now doing everything for free, okay? So either we work as a team or I don't work at all, right? So I don't need analysis for myself because I can do it myself, okay? So if you are watching my video, it's your responsibility to contribute in whatever form you can, and especially go and join these brokers because that is free and then you can start your trading. And if you want to contribute towards the fees, you can you can pay whatever you like using the link. And then there's one more interesting thing. If you click on these three dots, if you open my video on your laptop, then click on three dots and you will see this thing called super fangs, okay? So this super fangs which you might be interested in to get your questions answered, okay? So for example, in this live chat, I don't have a live streaming going on my channel as of now. Normally people ask what do you call super chat in live, but in recorded videos you can do super thanks and get your questions answered later on by me, okay? So I thought you should know this. So this is a very cool feature from YouTube that you can click on these three dots and then click on thanks, and then you can increase or decrease your amount. This is a paid feature from YouTube, okay? So if you want to type in a message, you can click here and remove your remove that thanks, and type in your comment. If you want to ask anything and get the answer from me, you can type your question or comment or feedback, whatever you want to say, and there will be an amount. You can increase that amount or decrease that amount depending on your currency, and you can click on buy and send, and your question will be below my YouTube video, and then I can reply to your comments, okay? I thought I should share this option with those people who want to get their questions or comments answered, because understand, people as in people who make YouTube videos like me might not answer every comment which is below their video, especially free comments. Nobody has time, okay? So if you want your question, a comment to be seen and answered, go to the three dots, click on super thanks, type in your question or comment or feedback, and then select your amount and then click on buy and send. I just wanted to share this feature with you, okay? So I think that's all I have to share with you. Subscribe, like, and now let's start the analysis. All right, USDJPY. So let's start the top-down approach with the weekly time frame. Weekly, we have crossed above the EMI. So that's the confirmation of the uptrend for USDJPY in the long run. So coming back to daily, we are above the EMI. So I told you here, one candle above the EMI here. How many did we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, this is surely an uptrend because bull is printed on my chart as well, okay? So long story short, I'll not teach you everything for free, for seriously, don't expect every single fucking thing from me for free, okay? Do your part first, contribute, and then we'll talk about it. So yeah, I can't tell you everything free. Why is an uptrend? So yes, this is an uptrend. This is the official confirmation that we're in the uptrend and we'll stay in the uptrend for next maybe 4 months, okay? In dollar, right? So we have to look for longs. What is our entry? Entry is 4 hour. Oh, there's nothing new. Go and watch my Friday's video, okay? In my Friday's video, I told you take your entry right here, wherever we were here on Friday. I think Friday, on Friday we were here, and I told you that on Friday we'll be consolidating. Friday is a useless day, most probably, okay? So on Friday we were here, and then I told you we will be consolidating. That's exactly what happened, and now we are going for our target. On Friday, I told you we are going for 149.60. So right now we are at 148.84. If you enter long right now, take your profits at 149.50 or 149.60 and then come and tell me in the super comments right here that I was right. I know I'm right, but go and leave your super comment. Super comments are also colorful comments. They will be like green, blue, purple. So they show very, very nicely in the comment section, okay? Anyway, so I'm damn fucking right. And if you want some free money on the table, when the market opens after 1 hour, enter long and get out at 149.60. Tell me one person on the planet who tells you when to enter, when to exit in their free YouTube videos, in their free daily analysis. I don't have time to do this to do this on daily basis. I do this in weekly especially, and maybe if I find some time, in daily schedule, okay? So anyways, this is too much for free. Free money. What else you want from me, man? You enter here, you exit here, your 80 pips are right there. On Friday, I told you 90 pips because if you would have entered here, so you would have 90 pips. If you enter on Monday morning, you will have 80 pips. 80 fucking pips for free. Free money, man. Tell me if somebody else is giving you that, okay? So do your part, subscribe, like whether either we work as a team or I don't work at all. Go and watch my previous videos. I had been giving you 50 pips, 90 pips, 100 pips in my every video on USDJPY, okay? So at least be thankful enough. Free video doesn't mean it's worthless. What I'm giving you worth thousands and thousands of dollars. It's only my patience. For how long can I continue doing this for free? If I don't see any motivation, if I don't see, people are like, I know 99% people will think, oh yeah, I can cheat. Oh yes, you can cheat. But I know that 99% people will not pay anything, okay? I know you can cheat, but I want to see how many people are real humans out there who have some self-respect, okay? So if you make money with my videos or if you get some real knowledge and you want to contribute, then subscribe, share, join Telegram, join these brokers and using my link and then do your trading, or you just pay my fees or your super comments. Do your part. Okay, it's not about me having to take your money. I can make my money if I can give you the 80 pips. I can take those 80 pips myself. I'm a full-time Forex trader, for goodness sake, okay? But let's see if you're a real human or just, oh yeah, I'll cheat. And TubeCore will not know. TubeCore will never know that I made money from his videos. God is watching. TubeCore is watching. I don't need to know how much you made. But I know my videos are money-making machine, okay? So if you like what you see, do all of that, do your part as long as I'm doing mine. Thank you.